this video, we will show you how to get space on Gmail accounts. To get space on Gmail accounts, you need to log in into your Gmail account. After you are logged in, you can open the one.google.com/storage. Okay, you can get this URL in our video description. After that, you can click get more storage in here. You can see our total storage is 15 gigabytes, include Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. And to get more storage, of course, this is we need to pay. This is not free. Just click get more storage. You will direct it into the plan of each items. For example, our free account is 15 gigabytes. For basic is 10 gigabytes or 100 gigabytes, and standard is 200 gigabytes. Okay, you can get, for example, the basic for 100 gigabytes. You can click get started, and in here you can pay with your credit or debit card. Click this, or if you don't have credit or debit card, you can also using a gift card by Google. You can buy the gift card if you want, and also you can also making payment with payment methods that are available on your country. Okay, that's all tutorial how to add space or get more space on our Gmail account. Hope this video helpful for you.